Welcome to BCL Timber Projects. We are the UK's leading timber panel system for commercial construction and have been at the heart of some of the most forward-thinking and technically demanding schemes involving wood over the last 50 years. Our design-flexible panel systems allow you to create beautiful, unique spaces whilst maximising the efficiency benefits of prefabrication, with the added assurance of full UKAS testing and accurate ISO-accredited environmental carbon reporting. For architects, we provide more flexibility and freedom to create unique designs, ensuring any wall or ceiling system works perfectly with your building. With exceptional acoustic and fire performance, a huge range of flexible options, and our BIM Level 2 design and 3D modelling, BCL provide the power to create beautiful aesthetics, whilst meeting the very highest performance standards. For contractors, our panel systems create significant improvements to program coordination and efficiency by drastically reducing site waste and installation time compared to other systems. With greater levels of design coordination and prefabrication, plus accurate environmental reporting and transparent testing, BCL systems provide more assurance and compliance, with lower commercial risk for key stakeholders. For more information on how BCL can help transform your design and construction process, visit bcltimberprojects.co.uk today.